This is Chinese food tradition. In English, carrot cake. But in Chinese word is lobako. Yan ay regalo ng sa lolo ko. Every Chinese New Year nagagawa sila ng ganyan at berang specialty para sa kanila. Ano siya? Radish ba? Yan ay radish na nilalawakan ng karne, peanuts, dried mushroom. Nagtataka siguro kayo kung bakit ito ay may hiwa na. Kasi pinakain ko na yung amo ko ngayon. Malaki ito guys. Malaking plato. Yan, hiniwaan ko na yung amo ko. Ang sarap niyan with toppings. Topping is, this is the parsley in English. In Chinese, I forgot already. Yeah, that is lobako. Masarap siya guys. Hope you like it too. And then some many cheche is making this every Chinese New Year. Actually, this is very tiring to make it. You make it slice yung radish, slice maliit, then pa-fry nila ito na with meat. Ayan, masarap siya guys. Tikman nyo ha. Okay? Okay. Thanks for watching.